Hi there, how's it going? Welcome to the Insider Suite Experience. It's a 12-month mastermind show you how to build a follow-worthy personal brand, create content that converts, and turn your LinkedIn connection into high-ticket clients. If you and I haven't met yet, hello, my name is Salina, your LinkedIn business strategist. I'm dedicated to help entrepreneurs create, build, and scale highly profitable businesses. My passion started over a decade ago working at LinkedIn as their director. I would fly across the world, train sales team on how to close B2C and B2B deals with the Sales Playbook I make from scratch. I help people identify the right business decision maker, handle sales objection, follow up strategically, and a virtual handshake via DocuSign. Fast forward to 2020, I stepped out on my own to become an online business owner. I was so shocked and disappointed with the limited sales training and practical knowledge in the marketplace for online entrepreneur. That's when the light bulb moment happened. My sales playbook that result in countless leads, profit would now be the cornerstone of my own business, the Bean Academy. I've taught over 225 students to build their own 5 to 6 figure business. Yes, there are tons of programs out there offering how to teach selling on LinkedIn in theory, but I'll show you in practice. You get a behind-the-scene look at how I built my 6-figure business in just 2 years, all on LinkedIn with 0 ad spend. This is not another outdated 997 course that doesn't work. Too generic to fit your needs, too short to even see your transformation. Worst of all, not some salesy, sleazy tactics that get your LinkedIn account banned and thrown into LinkedIn jail. You lost all your connection that you've built over the years. We don't want that for you. What's more trustworthy than learning LinkedIn for business from a former LinkedIn employee like me? Sorry, not sorry for tooting my own horn. Boop boop. This is essentially our Done It With You program. This is designed to grow with you and show you exactly how to hit the next level on LinkedIn and your business. Ultimately, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. That's exactly what Insider Suite Experience is all about. And here's our promise. Insider Suite Experience could help you to achieve the following in the next 12 months or less. Transform your LinkedIn profile into a highly converting sales page. Be top 1% of LinkedIn profiles. Create content that opens heart, mind, and wallet. Grow and bring your new LinkedIn audience, all 5,000 and more. Build and validate a profitable offer suite that makes you 10K months consistently. And get your first 5 to 10 plus paying clients organically without any ads, RI in your first 90 days. Turn your LinkedIn connection into high-ticket clients with a sales call conversion rate of 30% plus. Get featured by top media, RI in your first 180 days. Run your entire business by numbers in one hub so it's easy to use, predictable, and highly profitable. The program promises are amazing, but Salina, how are we going to achieve it? Insider Suite Experience gives you everything you need to achieve this transformation. We're going to first do a custom plan, one-on-one you and me onboarding session with me and my team to map out your custom growth plan for your business. Step-by-step tutorial, access to our signature LinkedIn program. Personal brand boss, build a highly converting LinkedIn profile. Content conversion system. Create content that open hearts and wallet. LinkedIn Business Academy. Turn your LinkedIn connection into high-ticket clients. Did I mention? Live events. 2-day live in-person event in Miami where you and I are going to meet coaching and accountability. 2 monthly calls where I'm going to review your material live, also ask me questions instantly. So people put their hand up, they can unmute themselves so we have a bit of a conversation and kind of coach you through the problem that you are having with your LinkedIn and your business. Quarterly material review, anything you need from LinkedIn, content, business strategies to offer suite. You can submit anytime to me and my team and get detailed feedback, which again is a thing that will shortcut your success on LinkedIn because we're going to tell you what are the things that you're doing well and some of the things that you can potentially work on. on. Personalized LinkedIn profile review report, so you know exactly what to improve on in what order to have the largest impact on your business. And events recording. All live events are recorded, so you don't need to worry about missing them. Upgrade community where you can hang out, collaborate, and network with fellow entrepreneurs. You can literally ask anything you want and get access to these every single day for the next 12 months. And there's a bunch of more perks on this package, but this video is getting very long. You can find more details and all our client success story on this page right here. People have great things to say. We put over 100 testimonials on this page as well, and over 130 plus recommendation on my LinkedIn profile. It's absolutely insane value. We're probably going to hiking the price every few months as more people join. You can also find details of our business changing guarantee or money back. If you don't achieve the following, transform your LinkedIn profile into a highly converting sales page, build and validate a profitable offer suite that lasts, sign 5 to 10 plus pay clients organically without ads, email us, we'll gladly send you a full refund. That's right, we're taking 100% the risk off your shoulders. In exchange, I just ask you to show that you have put in the work. Deal? If you work with us, you either learn how to use LinkedIn for your business and get 5 to 10 plus new high-ticket clients minimum in 3 months. Or you can learn it, don't change anything in your business, and receive a full refund. Worst case scenario, you get 5 to 10 plus new paying clients working with you. Learn all of our proven LinkedIn business strategies for free. This is how much confidence I have in our ability to help you succeed on LinkedIn and solve your problem. So next step is to book a totally free, no obligation call with me or one of our team members where we'll walk you through the Insider Suite experience, ask you a few questions, see if it's a right fit for us to work together. We're not very salesy at all. It's not like a sales call, so we don't like to try to shove it down people's throat because we want you to succeed on LinkedIn. Again, this is not a do-it-yourself course that it's collecting dust, where the strategies provide may not work for you specifically, and definitely not a magic pill that transforms your business and life overnight. But this is an intimate 12 months growth experience that gives you custom strategies, live events, coaching, system, and support necessary to achieve your 5-figure revenue goals. By the end of the day, we only want people as part of our Insider Suite experience who we think we can really help and add value to the community after all. But yeah, if you got this far in the video, thank you so very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed browsing all the stuff on this page, and potentially if you decided that the Insider Suite experience is for you, I cannot wait to see you on the other side. Bye for now. Check out this next video, how to build wealth with $0 using LinkedIn.